Welcome to mfasoft. We regularly make videos related to science and technology. Let us talk about top 5 programming language in India on 2020. Plus bonus tip is waiting for you at the end of the video, so keep watching and stay connected. On number 5, JavaScript, which is an object-oriented computer programming language commonly used to create interactive effects inside web browsers. Alongside HTML and CSS, JavaScript is one of the 3 core technologies of the web. It is also used at the front end of several popular websites like Google, YouTube, and Facebook. On number 4, Python, which is one of the most commonly used programming languages today and is an easy language for beginners to learn because of its readability. It is a free and open source programming language with extensive support modules and community development, easy integration with web services, user-friendly data structures, and GUI-based desktop application, and it is popular for machine learning. On number 3, Java, which is one of the most common in-demand computer programming languages in use today. This general-purpose programming language with object-oriented structure has become a standard for application that can be used regardless of platform, like Mac, Windows, Android, etc. Java is widely used in web and application development as well as big data. Java is also used in the back end of several popular sites. On number 2, C and C++. C is probably the oldest commonly used programming language, and it is the root of other programming languages such as C#, Java, and JavaScript. C++ is an enhanced version of C. Both C and C++ are considered high-performance languages. As such, they are widely used in developing applications where performance is a critical issue, such as client-server applications, commercial products such as Firefox and Adobe, and video games. Now get ready for the bonus tip. It's time for the bonus one. Kotlin, which is a cross-platform, statically typed general-purpose programming language with type inference. Kotlin is designed to interoperate fully with Java, and the JVM version of its standard library depends on the Java class library. This programming language is one of the fastest growing languages these days and very much useful to create various types of applications. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular and recent updates.